installing a Windmill Mark III airbox. I know Rebel Packet did an excellent pictorial and a description on how to install the Mark III when you get it, and I just kind of want to do a little bit of a video and maybe be able to highlight some points as well. First of all, when you get the box in the mail, you're going to get a very detail-oriented, high-quality product. Barry or Windmill put a lot of thought and a lot of effort into building these, and just really an outstanding product. You're going to get a new bracket to mount your airbox to. You're going to get a round ABS disc that's going to mount in the bottom of the airbox to seal up the existing intake hole that's in the airbox. You're going to actually get two foam filters. You're going to get a spare one, and then the cover one here comes with one already installed in it. You're going to get this little air intake that mounts on that. You're going to get a hose clamp to tighten that up to that piece. You're going to get two plastic thumb wheel screws with a rubber washer. They're to hold this cover down to the existing airbox. And you're going to get two smaller bolts with lock washers. And this is one thing that I like that Barry did, is on the mount that he built, he pre-threaded these holes. So these bolts, they just screw right in those holes like that. So you can take your airbox on and off if need be without having to remove this bracket, which means you don't have to remove the clutch, the little clutch arm that holds the clutch cable on, or the bolt out of the starter. So that's what you're going to get when you first get the package. Okay, some items you're going to need on hand to get started and to complete the install is first you're going to need some brake clean. That's going to be so you can clean out the inside of the existing filter housing real well. We all know that oily film gathers up in there from the breather. That needs to be totally cleaned out of the air housing. You're going to need some sort of RTV gasket maker. You want to make sure you get something that is a little bit in the higher temp range and also very oil resistant. I use the Permatex Ultra Black. I got it at AutoZone. Another thing you're going to need is some foam filter oil. I bought the Uni. That's the kind of foam filters he has, and that's what Barry recommends to be used on them. And then you're also going to need a foam air filter sealer. This is a type of grease that goes on the gasket of the lid and helps seal the lid down to the air basket, to the air box. And again, you can get this at your local motorcycle shop as well. So those will be some things that you need to get you started.